Advanced SVI is just a continuation of the beginner SVI, and it's 3 days over the summer where it's a more advanced hands-on course where you and a bunch of other students get to learn about all this new fancy equipment and how to be on a professional set.
Students will be learning what a grip does on set, along with advanced lighting techniques. Students who are already experienced in basic film equipment will get a chance to get hands-on experience with more advanced film equipment such as the Red Ranger Helium, Blackmagic Pocket 6K, GlideCam, and a lot more equipment.
If you've already done SVI, while it might be helpful to try it again, I think it's a lot more useful to kind of go into that advanced route and get to see the different things that you're missing out, because over the 4 years that I've been here at DeSales, I've learned a lot more than I ever learned during that 1 week at SVI. And advanced SVI is really going to give you that foot in the door that you're missing in that original SVI unit.
As a counselor, I'm really looking forward to meeting new people and forming connections and networking, and also learning more, because you can never learn too much no matter how advanced you are. And yeah, it's going to be a fun time.